I will show you how to filter by date. Okay, and I will show you also how to filter by or each text box. Let's say we'll filter ascending descending for issue number, issue date, reference, username, branch, receive name, and the status. But first I will show you the how to filter by date range. Okay, now again we are in Outbound Editor form, and this is our start date text box. The name is start date, and end date text box, the name is end date. Now after entering this two text box, then we will click this button, the filter dates. Okay, if we will click this button, this is the code will be used. Okay, this is the dim strFilter, then this one also strDateStart and strDateEnd, which we are referring for this two text box. Okay, so this one, if is null, so we are referring for the forms. So this is the forms, then this is the form name, and this is our object or the text box, which the start date text box, and also the here and the end date. Okay, if there's no entries here, let's say we'll click here, it shows start date and end date required. So this is the error trapping here. This is the one. If is null, either both of start date here or end date, it shows the message box here. Then if both text box filled with the corresponding date, then this will filter according to start date and end date. So don't worry, I will copy this code and I will paste in the description to make sure that you write the code correctly. Okay, now we'll try this code. I will open the form, and here let's say this is October 23. So 23, I will type this one 23, and here also I will put a 26. Then if I click filter date, automatically it will show only the date we're in for the range of 23 and 26. Then remove filter. So I will show you also here, this is the button to remove filter. Look, this is our text box which we enter without start date and end date. Then this is double quote to make it clear our entries, then refresh. Then this is our primary key for this data source. Okay, so this is how to filter by date range. So this is our code, and I will copy in our video description. Okay, the next is we will filter by text box. Here we'll put a button here to filter for corresponding field or text box here. Okay, first we need to go to design here, then button. So this one, I will choose this one, filter. Next, then filter, this one. Next, then finish. So you can rename your button. Okay, then I will copy. So this is ascending and this one is descending. So I just remove this. Okay, sorry. I will remove this macro later. But first I need to change the filter button here. Filter this one, so that we can determine which we either this is for ascending and this is for descending. Okay, then we'll copy here, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste here, copy and paste, copy and paste. So I will just select this one all, then right click, align and tap. Okay, now we have buttons to filter each text box here. So this is the our fields, this one, and also our text box is same with our fields, so you can also rename if you want. But for this video I will just show you how to filter here. Okay, we will use VBE. Now I will select this one, I will just copy. So this is text box name is issue number. Okay, here I will remove this one, then event procedure. Now I will type do CMT that say order by, then the text box. So our text box is here, this is the one, issued number. So we'll put here our text box, then hit the space, then we'll just only type ESC stands for ascending, or DESC for descending. But this button is, we will sort by ascending order. Okay, so with ESC, then I'll just copy, then here I will copy also, I will, then here I will change to DASC for descending. Okay, now we'll try. Open. So this is the issue number, so we will apply ascending and we will apply for descending. So our code is working. So now, so that this is easy for you and fast way, since this is all ascending, then we'll just only copy, paste first here, Then, so this is the fastest way for you to avoid confuse, particularly we are dealing with a lot of buttons here. Then the last one, then the next one also here, descending, then so this method is need your effort, but this is very helpful in order for you to filter by text box or fields. Okay, now I just only copy this one, then here just double click, here also double click, paste, then here reference, double click, this one also. So the same process here. Then here branch, so I think I'll just move the button. So this is branch name, then next is receive, so I will just adjust here, then Control V to paste, copy, then V, receive name, so here receive name also, double check, okay, and then here the status. So well, I think there is here, this is issue, so 581, so this is 581, so we have here, okay, that's the issue. I think all are okay. Then now we'll try issue date, this is still okay, so we'll try all again. This is ascending, descending by issue number, and here also issue date, ascending, descending, then reference here, look, then here warehouse, then production, complete. So this is how to filter your data entry in our continuous form. So this is it. Thank you and God bless.